Welcome back, guys, to our level up series. So let us see our today's question. Our today's question says sum of digit differences of all pairs. So let me read the question. What is the question is? The question is we are given with an array nums which is consisting of positive integers and where all the integers have the same number of digits. So for example, this is the nums which is provided to us. So the digits are 13, 23, and 12. So this particular 13 has two digits, 1 and 3. This 23 also has two digits, 2 and 3. And this 12 also has two digits, that is 1 and 2. So this is only the question saying we are given with an array nums which is consists of positive integers and all the integers have the same number of digits. So what we need to do is, first of all, let us see what is the digit difference. So the digit difference between two integers is the count of different digits that are in the same position in the two integers. So let me explain you. See, this first integer was 13, second integer is 23. So what is the digit difference between these two? So for that, we will look at the same positions. So at the first position, the number is 1. Here at the first position, the digit is 2. So these are different, right? Here it is 1 and here it is 2. So the digit difference will become 1. Now we will look at the second one. Here it is 3. Here also it is 3. So they are same. So the digit difference will become 0. So overall the digit difference between 13 and 23 will become 1. That is 1 plus 0. That comes out to be 1. In the similar way, look at 13 and 12. What is the digit difference between 13 and 12? At first position, both are 1. So the digit difference is 0. At the second position, one is 3 and the other one is 2. So they are unequals, right? They are different. So the digit difference will become 1. So it will be 1 plus 0 plus 1, which comes out to be 1. So the digit difference between 13 and 12 is also going to be 1. Look at 23 and 12. At 23 and 12, at both the positions, at first position as well as the second position, the numbers are different. Here it is 2, here it is 1. And in the similar way, here it is 3 and here it is 2. So the digit difference will become 1 plus 1, which comes out to be 2. So I hope the digit difference definition is clear to you all. The digit difference between two integers is the count of different digits that are in the same position in the two integers. So we will calculate the digit difference for all the integers and we have to return its sum. So what does the question says? We need to return the sum of the digit difference between all the pairs of integers in nums. So we have calculated the digit difference for all the pairs. Now we will sum them up. That is 1 plus 1 plus 2. That comes out to be 4. And we are going to return 4 at the end. So I hope the question is very much clear to you all. Let us understand it with one more example. The question says the number says 10, 10, 10, 10. All the numbers are positive integers and consist of same number of digits. There are 2. All the numbers have 2 digits. Now, what is the digit difference? If we take any pair, it is going to be 10, 10. Any pair if we take in this particular numbers. And the digit difference between 10, 10 is obviously going to be 0 because if the numbers are same, obviously the digit difference will become 0, right? Because at every particular point, the digits are going to be same. So in example number 1 was far better for making the question clear and I have explained you already. So I hope the question is now clear to you. Now what is the approach which we are going to follow? Look at the constraints. It clearly says that the nums is going to be less than 10 raised to the power 9. So the maximum value that can be is 10 raised to the power 9. It means it can consist of maximum of 10 digits. One number can consist of maximum of 10 digits, right? So what we have done in this particular thing is look at the code. 1 second. Here it is the code. What I did over here is, first of all, we have computed the size of this particular vector nums. Now this is very important. We have made one vector indices. What this vector indices will do? This vector indices is of size 11. And in this also we have made one 2D vector which is of size 10, 0. See, why 10, 0? Because we know every digit will lie in the range of 0 to 9. Every digit will be either 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It means it will be in the range of 0 to 9. So 0 to 9 means the size of the vector will be equals to 10. And initially the count is 0. So that's why we have initialized it with 0. So we have made one 2D vector. In this 2D vector, the inside vector, that is 1D vector, can consist of maximum of 10 digits. It means the digits can lie in the range from 0 to 9. So after that, what we are doing is, for int I equals to 0, I less than size I plus plus. In k, we have stored the starting number. Int k is equals to nums at the index of I. Int c is equals to 0. What does this c denotes? This c denotes the position. So while k is not equals to 0, int check is equals to k mod 10, k is equals to k divided by 10. So what it will be get stored in this particular check is the last digit of that particular number. I will tell you with the help of dry run, don't worry. And this is at the index of c check plus plus c plus plus. So see what this is trying to do is, with the help of first example, let us see. So the first one is 13, right? So what will happen in case of 13? K will store 13, int c is equals to 0, while 13 is not equal to 0. Int check is equals to 13 mod 10. So what is 13 mod 10? 13 mod 10 is going to give us 3, right? It is going to give us the last digit. So 13 mod 10 is going to give us 3. So in check, 3 will get stored. Now what will happen? K is equals to k divided by 10. Now it becomes 1. K value becomes 1. Now indices at the index of C at the index of check plus plus. This is very important. If you understand this thing, the entire question will be clear to you. Indices at the index of C. What is the C denotes? C denotes the position of that particular digit. So for we are taking it in this case, we are doing it like this. This will be the 0th digit. This will be the first digit. 3 will be 0th digit, 1 will be first digit for every number. In 23, 3 will be 0th digit, 2 will be first digit. In 12, 2 will be 0th digit, 1 will be first digit. So we are calculating from the right hand side. So what will happen here? Indices at the index of C, that is 0, because 3, at the index of check, that is 3, it will get incremented. Then we are incrementing the value of C also. Why we are incrementing the value of C? Because now our check will become 1. Now k is 1, so 1 mod 10 becomes 1. So 1 is the first digit of the number, because we are calculating from the right hand side now. So 3 is the 0th digit and 1 is the first digit of the number. So in this way, when we will run this entire loop, what will get stored? On the 0th digit, what all numbers we have? On the 0th digit, the numbers are this particular 3, this particular again 3, on the 0th digit I'm saying. And again that comes out to be 2. So these are the numbers at the 0th digit. For 1, 3 it is 3, for 2, 3 it is 3, and for 1, 2 it is 2. So at the 0th digit, 3 value will become 2, and because it is coming 2 times, and 2 value will become 1. So if we want to calculate the digit difference is number of unequal digits that are coming. So we can easily do, right? If 3 is 2, 3 is occurring 2 times, 2 is occurring 1 time. So the digit difference will be 2 multiplied by 1, that is 2 for the 0th position. So, and we can clearly see also in 13 and 12, it is 1 for the 0th position, and for 23 and 12, it is also 1 for the 0th position. Overall, it is 2 because at the first position also unequal is occurring. So in this way, what we have calculated, for every position, we will calculate the digit difference. So first of all, I have made the indices vector clear to you all now. So now let us look at the further code. What is happening is, we have initialized one vector answer to store our answer. For int I equals to 0, I less than 11, I plus plus. Why less than 11? Because the size of the vector is 11. I already told you that 10 raised to the power 9. It can consist of maximum 10 digits. So that's why we have taken it the size is 11. Vector and prefix sum 10. Prefix sum at the index of 9 is equals to indices at the index of I 9. What is this doing? We have maintained one prefix sum. What this prefix sum will do? This will store the values making the sum equal. See, what is this doing is, prefix sum at the index of 9 equals to indices at the index of I at the index of 9. So for the 0th position, it will store how many times the number 9 is occurring. In the similar way, for 8, for 7, for 6, until equals to 0, because the digits can consist from the range of 0 to 9 only, right? So this is what it is storing. Now for int j is equals to 0, j less than 9, j plus plus. Answer equals to answer plus indices at the index of ij multiplied by prefix sum at the index of j plus 1. So this thing is going to store the digit difference, and we will keep on summing it up, and at the end we are going to return answer. So in our answer we will have the digit difference for all the numbers which we need to return at the end. So I hope the question is clear to you all. In case if I will provide you the code in the description box as well, so you can look at the code again. If the question is clear, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends. Thank you.